Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Xbox mode is not showing up on Windows 11. Some user cannot find Xbox mode and task view even after updating Windows 11. But don't worry, this fix is very simple and only takes a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates and install all available updates. After updating, restart your computer. In step 2, now again open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Gaming. After that, click on Xbox mode. Here you will see three options: Enable Xbox mode, Show Xbox mode in task view, Show accessibility control, hands and task view. Make sure all these options are enabled. Now close the setting window and click on Task View button. You should now see Xbox mode appearing there. If it still does not show up, restart your PC once again and check. That's it. This is how you can easily fix Xbox mode not showing up on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.